Hey everybody, Mrs. Bianchi. Mark graph points on the coordinate plane below to represent the locations of a school and a bank. Mark wants to add the location of the library on the coordinate plane. The distance from the library to the school is the same as the distance from the bank to the school. Which ordered pair could be the coordinates of the library? All right, so first of all, we need to figure out what's the distance between the school and the bank. And I made this a little bit bigger so we can see it. How long is this red line? So if we just kind of count, I'm going to use my pointer here. So if we count from here, it's 1, 2, 3, 4 units long. So I'm going to write that number down, 4 units. So that means that the library, and I'm just using this L to represent where the library could be. If it's gonna fit on this is quadrant one, then we could consider going up 1, 2, 3, 4, or we could consider going down 1, 2, 3, 4. So if we go up, let's use this green line, which is also 1, 2, 3, 4 units. Then that means one of the considerations that we need to take is the library could be here, but we can't forget about the fact that we could go down. If we go down 4 units, then that means that the library could also be right here where this plot is. So it's just a question of figuring out of this red dot and this purple dot, which is offered in the answer choices. So let's figure out what the ordered pair for this red dot or this red point would be. So let's, from the origin, which is here, we have to go to the right 2, and then we have to go up 8. So the ordered pair on that would be 2 comma 8. Now, how do we know that this has to be an 8? If this is a 7, this has to be 8, even though it's not worded. Likewise over here, if this is 7, this would have to be 8. All right, so is that a choice? Looks like it is right here. But we have to make sure that they don't offer this purple dot as a choice, this purple point. So what would be the ordered pair for that? So I'm just going to make pair of parentheses. So to get to that purple dot, we'd have to go over 2. So the x coordinate would be a 2. And we don't go up at all. We stay right on the 0. So that would be a 2 comma 0. Now, is that offered as an answer choice in the lineup? It is not. So that kind of confirms that we're going to go ahead and go with choice B.